Add coriander leaves and grated zucchini. 2-3 chopped chilli. Mashed potato. 2 tablespoons Sibu veg cutlet masala. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons Sibu chaat masala. Mix it well. Add soya powder. Put breadcrumbs. Mix it well. Make a mixture. Make a round shape. Shallow fry the cutlet. Sprinkle coriander leaves. Sprinkle Sibu chaat masala. Sibu cooking tips. How do you prepare zucchini to eat? The easiest way to eat zucchini is to leave it raw. However, you might enjoy it better if you cook it. Zucchini can be steamed, boiled, baked, sautéed, or grilled. It's also a great substitution for pasta. Help us to serve you better.